Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the freshman induction of 2021, Lovely Professional University. My name is Shipra Jain. I, along with Madam Supriya and Madam Gagandeep, welcome you to the Literary League of Freshman Induction 2021. So are you all excited to play games, to have a learning session, to enjoy? So I see Teja, Tej, Kartikya, Afrin, Nitish, everybody is ready. And I see so many people on YouTube. They are excited. So what do you say, Supriya ma'am? Shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am, of course. I guess it's the right time to begin the fun.
So guys, the first game which we are going to play, it's Let's Play. The game is based on true or false. Some facts would be displayed on the screen and you have to identify if it is true or false. So are you ready? You will be given 10 seconds to answer this question, true or false. And let's see who is the first one to answer. Do you want to be the first one to answer? True or false? So let's see the first fact on screen. So Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam ji. And Nandini is the first one to say true. Harsh, Ashish, Wasim, Nitish, I see people are excited, enthusiastic. They are quickly typing in the chat box. I see the chat box is full in YouTube as well. So what do you think, Supriya ma'am? Are our students right?
Ma'am, they actually are very smart. They know the things and absolutely correct. Congratulations, people, for getting the first answer correct. And yes, it is true. This is true. And we are proud Indians, right, people? Let me
And
just show you
right.
the result.
Please, ma'am, let's show our students the result.
It's absolutely true. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam. Very
So
nice, everyone.
I see on YouTube, Asha, Abhinav, Raman, Shrija, Nakesh, Shubham, Kirti, everybody says it's true. None of our students have said or typed false, ma'am. I can say that we have got wonderful students. And here we have the second question on the screen. The name of this famous personality is Arbaz Khan. What do you think, Supriya ma'am?
I guess they are going to get confused this time. That's what my prediction is. But let's see if they are. And I hope everyone is able to see the screen on YouTube as well, right? Do you see the personality on the screen? Do you think he is Salman Khan's brother? I guess yes. I have seen him in Dabangg and many more movies. Is it true?
Simran on YouTube says it's false. Webhub says it's true. Some recap master says it's true. Amit says false. Akshay says true on YouTube, and on Google Meet people say it's true, false. So we have got the mix answers, ma'am. Some are saying true, some are saying false. So what do you think, ma'am?
Exactly. People are confused here. So Tony Josh is saying that yes, it's true. I'm not sure that he or even know who Zarbaz Khan is. Zarbaz Khan is. Well, it's not at all true, people. He's not Zarbaz Khan. Let's see who is he. Can you people disclose his name? I guess one of the students already told his name as well. Who is this celebrity? Who's this personality, people?
Anchal
Let's
in
share the
Google
name.
Meet says it's Roger Federer. Adarsh also says Roger Federer. Congratulations, Anchal and Adarsh. You are right. It's Roger Federer, a Swiss professional tennis player.
Absolutely. Okay, so you people got it correct by saying it false, and the answer is also in your on your screen right now. Shall I go to the next question, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Let's display the next question.
Right. Are the people on YouTube ready for the next question? Shall we go to the next one?
So
Give me a yes, sir.
let me see what people say. Google Meet people say, yes, we are ready. YouTube people say they are ready too. So US dollars are made up of fiber. What do you think, guys? Is it true or false? Harsh
US
says it's
dollars.
false. Ashish says false. Sharing on YouTube says yes. Everybody on YouTube say yes.
Are you sure, people? Webhub, then we have here Dhani Santosh. All of you are saying yes, yes, yes. Are you sure? Well, Webhub said no. Right, I just saw. What about on
Home
Google
also
Meet,
says
ma'am?
no. On Google Meet, people are thinking. Only Nitish and Anshul says it's false.
Come on, Google Meet people. You really have to buck up and compete with the people who are on YouTube. They are just bombarding the chat box with their answers, and we expect you to do the same. Let's go.
And I see Ashish says in Google Meet, it's made up of 75% cotton and 25% linen.
Wow, that is some detail. Are you engineer? Are you people aspiring to become an engineer or who? Scientist, huh? Well, let's
So
disclose the
let's,
answer then.
yes.
It is absolutely what? What should I say? To which team I should make win? False.
Google Meet, I would say Google Meet, because now YouTube people have changed their answers. So let's see who wins for the next question, Google Meet or YouTube. This one goes to Google Meet.
Really? Ma'am, I guess my YouTube is also giving a tough competition to your Google Meet. We have already done this divide and rule, huh? Yes, it is false, absolutely. Dollars are made up of cotton, people, cotton, right? Okay, so I guess it's time to go to the next question here on your screen now. So, this is the logo of a famous food company. I'm pretty sure you must have ordered so many items from this place. It's Haldiram's, right? Is it true or false? That's what. Now we are going to see that how good observer you people are. You know Haldiram, but have you ever noticed their logo? That's what we are going to say. Is it true or false, people? Let's see. What is happening, Shipra ma'am? What are people saying there?
So people say on Google Meet it's false, false. Nitish says false. What is your YouTube saying, ma'am?
False. Everyone is going with false, 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 right? And there is one student, Ritik can't sing. He says true. He's he's going in the opposite direction. Let's see. So majority says false. So shall I disclose the answer, ma'am? What do you
Yes,
think?
ma'am, please. So let's see what the right answer is.
So the correct answer on your screen now, it's false. So majority wins this time. Have we ever, ma'am, have you noticed that the first student to give the answer false? If no, I guess next time we are definitely going to see who is going to give the answer first. The correct answer is false. This is the logo of Kodak. And somebody already said Kodak. Kodak, where we have Bhavan Hanthora.
Anchal is typing answers in the chat box and the right answer. So not only true and false, but she is giving the detailed information as well.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing. Very nice, Anshul. Okay, let's go to the next question, people. Here we are on the next question, which is based on what we call this language, right? A is the most common letter
Harsh
used
is
in
the
English
first one
language.
to answer in Google Meet. It's false. Ravi Teja said it's true. So is it the
Sadik,
most common letter used in the English language, people? True or false?
true or false, people? Sadik Vasdev is saying hello. Sadik, please focus on the screen. Tell us that is it true or false? Ma'am, on YouTube, everyone is saying it's true, 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 true.
That's right. Everybody said it's true on YouTube.
And what about Google Meet, ma'am? What is happening there?
People say it's false, true. I'm getting mixed responses on Google Meet, ma'am. True, false,
They
true, false.
I think they are pretty adamant and they are not going to change the answer. So we have to show them what the correct answer is. But right now, I'm pretty happy because YouTube is going with, and somebody, Dharani Dare, said, no, it's E. Well, I have to bow down before you because, yes, it is E. The correct answer, not A, it's the alphabet. E, which is letter E, which is correct because you find it everywhere. Amazing, amazing. So,
So now comes the time, everyone. A pre-activity was conducted and we have chosen the winner as well. A winner has been selected from so many entries we received. The name of the activity was Heal the World. So participants were required to give their views on the topic. Is the use of technology changing people for the better or worse? And the winner for this activity is Anchal Jha. Anchal, are you with us?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Thank you very much, Anchal. Now, Anchal is going to present her views on this topic. Is the use of technology changing people for the better or worse? Over to you, Anchal.
Yes, ma'am. Technology is a useful servant, but a dangerous master. We have heard this quote of Mr. Louis Lang several times, but many of us might not even know what does this quote signify. So, I would like to share a short story with you to explain the meaning of this quote. When I was a kid, I watched an animated film, which was very interesting, but it was signifying a very important message. So I will share that story with you to convey the important message. The film was a part of cartoon series where the humans, with their eternal talent, first created technology and then robots. But unfortunately, human beings became entirely dependent on technology. And taking advantage of this, technology started ruling the human regime, and humans were left of no use. So I think you'd have already guessed my opinion on the topic. Is technology changing people for better or worse? But before going further, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Anjal Jha, and I'm a student of BBA in Financial Markets. Everyone has different views about this topic, making it a highly debatable and challenging issue. I would like to clear my perspective on this topic. So, if I talk about the world as a whole, I believe technology is actually changing world for better. It is making our globe an easier place to live. It is rightly said by Bill Gates that we are changing the world with technology. But when it comes to change in lives of people, I reckon technology is changing people for the worse. The message I wanted to convey through the story was that people cannot become entirely dependent on technology. But the sad part is, this is happening. I totally agree with Mr. Godfrey Reggio when he says that it's not we are using technology, we are living in technology. Technology is a creation of human mind and talent and has to be used in the right manner. People need to use technology and not live in it. If we improve the situation, technology is going to be a boon. But if we don't, we are going to witness the bad side of technology. So this was my standpoint on this subject. Thank you.
amazing, Anshul. Thank you so much for being here with us. And you have literally showed your incredible performance time and again. Congratulations from my side one more time. And I really want people here who are present, who are seeing her performing, who have seen her winner as winning this, please congratulate her. Let's see that chat box, right? Full of appreciation and clapping. Can we do that once in the chat box, people? Well, she said definitely the correct thing that balance is required, and I hope all of us will maintain this balance. Great. So now it's the time that we go to our next activity. Are you people ready? As you can see on your screen, the taglines makes it memorable. So you must remember some advertisements that are still the jingles,
Before,
they're still on your tongue. Do you remember? Do you remember any
ma'am,
jingle?
before we move ahead, I must say that people on YouTube, they gave their input. They gave their input for this topic while Anchal was speaking. So I must
Wow.
appreciate the students on YouTube, the way they have given their inputs. So they have said that yes, we have become addicted to it. And people have also said, Som Chandra says that yes, I use it, but in limitation. So I congratulate all the YouTube students and Google Meet as well, and everybody is congratulating Anchal on YouTube. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone. So yes, let's move ahead with the next activity. Taglines. This one is my favorite. I love taglines.
I know, ma'am. I know. Like being what the television kids, 90 kids, we know so many taglines. And now it's the time to check that whether our students know it or not. What do you think, people? Are you going to? Are you telling us that you can win this round? Are you accepting our challenge?
Nandini says yes. Kartike says yes. Harsh says yes. Everybody is ready. Everybody's clapping on YouTube. They are so happy.
Right. Naidu has already shared a tagline, men will be men. Yeah, well, that's absolutely correct. Now, let's just go to our first tagline. You have to guess the name of the company in 10 seconds and write it in the comment section. So here it comes on your screen. Now, people, think different. Who do you think have this tagline? Let's roll it, people. Let's go.
And people say Apple in chat box. Wasim, Karthikeya, Ravi Teja, they say Apple. Rahul says yes. Let's go. But where is the answer, YouTube people?
Think different. YouTube people, I guess they just saw the screen.
They've
So
just seen.
now they will definitely going to. Okay, somebody said soda. Think different. I guess Coca Cola is saying think different. Am I correct, Dharani? There. Well, others are saying LPU. Many are saying LPU, and now people have started giving Apple as answer.
Well, guys, wait for the tagline of LPU. It's coming soon on the screen. So this one is, let's disclose the answer, ma'am. Kirti is
Yes,
clapping
ma'am.
in the chat box. Shubham says Tesla on YouTube.
Uh-oh. So they have so many names, but
So
there
many
is one
names.
winner, and the one winner is Apple. Okay, no problem at all. Some, it's a rhythm that somebody has to lose, somebody has to win. Let's go. That if you can get this one, the quicker picker upper. What do you think, people? What is who has this tagline? Do you know?
The quicker picker upper. What do you think, everyone? Mercedes, Alexander says. Lamborghini. So people are thinking. Nandini says Spotify. Mayu says Bounty.
What are these Google Meet students saying, ma'am? What
Yeah,
are they
Google
saying?
Meet students are saying Bounty, Bounty, Bounty. Nitish, Nandini, Harsh. Everybody says Bounty.
And Santosh Kumar is hungry because he said yippee. I guess he's talking about yippee noodles.
Abhishek on YouTube says it's short.
It's a shot. The quicker picker upper. Are you sure, people? So I guess this is the right time when I show the result. Let's go. Well, this tagline goes to those who have said bounty is absolutely correct. The correct
And
answer is
ma'am,
bounty.
Mayu is the first one to answer on Google Meet. Bounty.
That's very nice, and I guess it will be difficult to keep the track of the people. But Munzir and so many Zishan Khan, we have Atul Prakash here. So many people are going with Bounty. Akshay Kumar, Akshay, are you the Twinkle Khannas? Akshay, I'm not sure. I'm just going ahead, moving ahead. Yes, it is Bounty. So now we have our next tagline on screen, ma'am. Do you see it, ma'am? Is it visible?
Yes, yes, we are able to see it. Don't leave home without it. What do you think, guys? Tagline.
Don't leave home without it. Whose tagline is this? That you are not allowed to go outside without this.
And
So what do you
Nitish,
think, people?
Karthike, Ashish is the first one to type in the chat box American Express, followed by Karthike, Nitish. Jagdish says Sky Bags. Wasim says American Express. And
Okay.
YouTube people have got a different answer. They say it's mask.
Helmet. Helmet even. There is who? Dhruv is saying it's helmet. Dipanshi, Satvik, Durga, they are all saying mask, mask, mask. Abhinav Kumar has something different to say, ma'am. He's saying Odomos. Okay. And then I have here Jay, who is saying American Express. Right? I guess I got my winner from YouTube, ma'am. What about you on Google Meet?
We already got winners the moment it was displayed, and it was Ashish. So Ashish is the first one to answer on Google Meet. It's American Express. Congratulations, Ashish.
Yes, and here it is, Jay. Very well done. You are quick, right? I guess in your case, what? Your answer is traveling faster than light. Okay. So next we have the tagline on your screen, the Uncola. Let's see how many of you can give the answer.
Everybody likes this product. So it's a product, a soft drink. Am I giving too many hints?
Let's see if they can pick it or not. It depends
And
upon that.
again, not Ashish, Harsh. Harsh is the first one on Google Meet to answer. It's 7-Up. Everybody says 7-Up. What's happening on YouTube?
YouTube people are figuring it out right now. What
Okay,
is Uncola?
They say Coca-Cola. They say Munzir says only up. And one of them, Ebenezer, says it's a brain.
Brain? The Uncola means what? Unbrain, something like that? Okay. So
let's
most of,
close
I
the
guess,
answer,
majority is going with Coca-Cola. But
Right.
people, if it is Coca-Cola, just let's have a logical approach toward the answer, because that is what we are going to do in our classes also, right? That we need to have logic. So if it is Uncola, negative. So why it would be Coca-Cola?
So no cola. So no cola.
Yeah. So it is, the correct answer, people, here is 7-Up. I don't know. Whenever I see this picture, ma'am, I really feel like drinking it, though I know it's not good for health. 7-Up is the correct answer, people.
And most of the students on Google Meet says it's 7-Up. And 80% of students on YouTube says it's 7-Up. So I think this goes to everyone. Google
Yes,
Meet and YouTube both.
right, absolutely correct. Okay, I guess we are ready for the next question, and here it is on our screen, people. Never have a bad meal. This is my favorite, Shipra ma'am. What do you say?
Mine as well, ma'am. This was our savior during lockdown, I would say.
True, true. And my mouth is drooling right now, thinking of all the food. I guess I am giving hints now. I should stop here. So never have a bad meal. Whose tagline is this?
And Adarsh Teja Tej says it's Zomato. Jagdish says McDonald's. Nitish says Zomato. And Nitish is the first one to answer Zomato. Then we've got Zomato. Everybody, Swiggy. Somebody says Anurag and Rosa says Swiggy on YouTube. Zomato, Swiggy. What do you think, ma'am? Who wins? Zomato or
I
Swiggy?
guess let's go with majority, ma'am. This time, let's give it to the majority, because the correct answer is Zomato. Absolutely correct, people. Very nice. Smart, huh? Smart. As you can see the slide on your screen, Zomato it is. And how many of you have currently this app on your cell phone? Do you have it? Do you have Swiggy or Zomato?
Let's see what have they downloaded. Zomato. Everybody says Zomato. Nitish says he has both. Zomato. I think 80%, 90% students say it's Zomato. Rest of them say Swiggy. And
Okay.
some people say 5 or 6% people say they have both. Karthik says I have Domino's. No Zomato, neither Zomato nor Swiggy. He has downloaded Domino's. So let's go ahead with the next tagline, ma'am.
It's quick and easy. What is this, people? It's quick and easy. Whose tagline is this? Let's see. It's quick and easy.
Karthik is the first one on Google Meet to say it's Facebook, followed by Nitish, Ravi Teja, and let's see what YouTube people have to say. They've just seen the picture, they've just seen the slide, and Durga Pratap says LPU touch.
Actually, he is right that it is the only important app that they need to have right now on the cell phone.
That's right, ma'am. I believe even when I want to open any other application, the first thing I do on my phone is opening LPU touch.
Exactly. Same here. So, ma'am, I have got the winner here. The first person to give the answer is Simran. I'm not saying the answer, but yes, Simran is the first person to type the correct answer. What is the situation on Google Meet?
Google Meet, Karthike is the first one to give us the right answer, ma'am.
Congratulations, people. So, Simran, you have given the correct answer, and Karthike, it's Facebook. You people are intelligent, or I should say
From
that you
Google
people
Meet, that's
spend,
right.
yeah, they're spending more time on social sites. I guess that could be the reason that they know it
That's
so
true.
easily.
That's the proof. So
Literally.
teachers have got to know that they like Facebook right before the classes. We know that our students are social media addicted.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, if I have to be very honest with you, if somebody would has asked me, well, like it's a quick and easy, whose tagline is this? I might not have known it. Like that's a fact, huh? But
Same
students
here.
are, I guess,
Same here, ma'am.
faster.
Same here.
Yeah, they know it that it is Facebook. Wonderful people, you are smarter. Let's go to the next. Now this is interesting. करो फिर जो चाहे करो. So I guess it goes like dash करो फिर जो चाहे करो. So what tagline is this, people?
And Ashish is the first one to answer, to give us the right answer on Google Meet. Let's disclose the answer a little later. Let's see what YouTube people are saying. YouTube people. They are
Yeah,
thinking.
now they can see it. Let's see. Dash करो फिर जो चाहे करो. What would it be? Whose tagline is this?
Airtel. So Jay says Airtel on YouTube. Dharni says English translation, please.
So okay, do this, and then later on do whatever you do want to do, man. Like
Abhinav
Salman Khan
says
says like that.
Paytm. Amit says, what does Amit say? Airtel. So Airtel, Paytm, Nescafe. Manjeer says. Sharing says Hindi tagline and question mark.
Yes, this time it's Hindi. Let's go give it to Hindi this time, Tashri. Okay, so I guess this is the right time to show you the answer. Well, it is for your tummy, people, right? Dash karo fir jo chahe karo. Swiggy is the correct answer. And majority, and the first one was, I guess, Jay, who gave the
Ashish,
correct
yes,
answer.
Jay and Ashish from Google Meet. So if Zomato is here, Swiggy is not far behind.
Absolutely, right. Okay, so here is the tagline that I was waiting for. And I guess you too, right, Shipra ma'am?
That's right, ma'am. What do you think, everyone? Transforming education, transforming India. Everybody in the chat box, from Jagdish to Teja to Adarsh, Nandini, Ravi Teja, Karthik, everybody. If anyone was sleeping in the session, by any chance, if they were refraining to type, and now I see everybody feeling that yes, they are also part of the family. They have taken the step ahead and typing in the chat box, YouTube and Google Meet. They are typing the full spellings as well. Yes, everyone, it's lovely professional university, transforming education, transforming India.
And you are the virtuos, right? Who are going to make this dream become true. Welcome one more time from Lovely Professional University, and this is a warm welcome. And let's go to the next slide now. It is Lovely Professional University, people. Congratulations. I know it not been easy for you to reach here, but you did it.
So I think this is the last exercise. This is the last activity we are doing. We wish we could have some more time to play the next game as well, guys, but we have time restrictions, and we are going to call it for the day. I see people are still typing Lovely Professional University with a lot of hearts in YouTube, in the chat box of YouTube. I congratulate everyone to be part of Lovely Professional University. We welcome you again. Center of Professional Enhancement welcomes all the students, all the new students in the freshman induction 2021 Lovely Professional University. Stay safe, stay strong.